My dear brothers and sisters, you may also be wondering, what would Jesus mean when he said, "The ruler of the world is coming, and he has no power over me"? At least researching and reviewing my class notes, this ruler whom the Lord is talking about is Satan, the prince of demons. Pero kadugtong nung kanyang sinabi, muli malinaw kay Jesus na ginagamit po natin itong salitang ito, walang palag ang demonyo kay Jesus. He has no power over him. Satan, by default, is already defeated, or shall we say, is nothing for Jesus. These stories that we've been hearing during these weekdays of the Easter season are all taken from the Last Supper discourses of the Lord. And the words that I said a while ago were but strong dispositions of Jesus, because after these words, he's about to face his death. He's about to face the accusations of people. He will be, in a way, face to face with this ruler through and in the faces of those who falsely accuse the Lord. Pero alam niyo po, sa kabila ng mga ito, siguro sabi ni Jesus sa kanyang sarili, wala kayong palag sa akin. Talo na kayo ngayon pa lang. Panalo na ako ngayon pa lang. You have no power over me. Siguro po maganda ding gayahin po natin si Jesus sa pagharap po natin ng mga tila hamon o mga mukha ng kasamaan sa ating buhay. Sa mga hamon na alam nating marahil naririto na, o yung mga hamon na bigla-bigla na lamang sumusulpot sa ating, to have the courage and the heart to say, you have no power over me. Kasi po minsan doon po tayo nag-aalangan sa pagiging tao po natin, dahil bilang tao lamang, napapangunahan po natin ng takot o marahil ng duda ang mga hinaharap po natin o pinagdadaanan po natin. But today, my dear friends, the risen Lord is teaching us, face the forces with faith, not with fear. Face the forces with the Lord and not with dwindling forces that may be away or may die in just a while. Jesus faced the ruler of this world and believed that he has no power over me. At hindi po sinosolo ni Jesus yung ganoong disposisyon at kalagayan hanggang ngayon. He wishes the same disposition and maybe the same conviction to all of us. To face all of them with the love of God. To face all of them with strength from God. And to face them with victory with God every day.